Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Today I am taking you through a organization, decluttering in my craft room in a way. I wouldn't really consider it decluttering hardcore. I mean, some things I'm going to have to purge, but mostly it's just kind of like a cleanup and an organization. I have been taking some classes on Skillshare, which I've mentioned to you guys before. If you haven't heard of Skillshare, definitely check out their website. It's skillshare.com, or their app. You can download it actually for free and try it out for 2 months. They have awesome classes on there. I've been taking some painting classes, watercoloring specifically. I had tested out their lettering classes for like freehanding like art and stuff. I'm not very good at it, so I've kind of put that to the wayside, but I did take some videography classes, and with that it kind of inspired that walk through the forest and me putting that video together for you guys as well. And Skillshare has sponsored this video today, so I want to say thank you very much. They have a ton of classes on the platform, anywhere between design, business, time management, anything for your personal development, but also for business. They have a wonderful collection of classes to just better yourself. But the one thing I was actually really happy to find was decluttering lessons, decluttering and organization of your home. So I was trying to take some of their tips and apply them to my craft room. I try to be very diligent with my craft room. There's a designated space for everything, but I did want to take you through the process of me cleaning. Hopefully inspires you to clean your space as well. It doesn't matter if it's a craft room, an office, or another part of your house, kitchen, living room, whatever it may be. But I did want to let you know that if you follow the link in the description down below, you can get 2 free months of Skillshare, and you can browse and check out what they have to offer for you. And I hope in the meantime this video inspires you to get cleaning and organizing or decluttering. Until next time everyone, enjoy your day, and thank you so much for watching. Welcome to my craft room that is completely upside down, and I'm kind of embarrassed to film it, but this is how it is. And I wanted to share with you the process of like organization and decluttering. I do have a place for everything, and that's what kind of keeps me, I think, sane when it comes to this room, because you know how it is as a crafter, you have lots of little trinkets here and there. However, my desk right now is upside down. There's a little bin from the Dollar Tree that's my like catch-all bin. This is typically where I throw things when I haven't put them away, is in the center of my room, which is horrible. Thankfully, I have my designated areas like this that I don't put things back unless I have time to put them back. So I won't just throw things into the cabinets or the drawers. This is my Dollar Tree little area here. I love all my trinkets from Dollar Tree that I've collected, and I have like a white and pink and kind of like a teal theme. There's the little mermaid trinket dish that Claire sent me. My 2 shelves that I put here, I'm not sure exactly how to organize them yet. I'm not satisfied with the way they are. My little pile of junk. My tripods are back here. My card from Sandy, the thrifty grandma, and Gretchen sent me the amazing sign. There's a couple cards there from you guys on my desk, and obviously my desk is a horrible mess. And this is my pile of junk over at the end here. So what I want to do is like declutter and just talk about a little bit the way how I organize things. But see here, I've kind of collected all sorts of junk there. I love my unit here that I repurposed. I painted this and love that it has storage on the bottom. My Simply Earth little essential oils that have been diffusing. I love them, and I even use them for cleaning. The bin here is from the Dollar Tree that I was talking about, and it works perfectly as a paper. My work reports are in there, and they fit really nicely. And I have music playing, and that's how I typically clean. So I'm doing a voiceover for you guys. I wanted to talk a little bit about how I organize and maybe what could help you. I know when it comes to the craft room, it can get messy, or it just becomes like a little bit of a thing. I don't know. Some of us put things back right away. I'm a little bit disorganized when it comes to that. I do have a proper place, so that helps a lot. It's just a matter of actually putting things back. So I'm clearing off my craft table. I want to dust everything, and I want to put things away. What I find works best for me is I work around the room. I collect everything and I put it into the middle of the room. Unless I have a spot that it's going directly to, I'll walk it back to its spot, but otherwise I clear everything off and put it into the middle of the room. You can have a designated table if you know something's too hard on your back to be sitting on the floor. I definitely recommend working in a comfortable space. So I have here a cup of water and I just put some of the pine, simply earth essential oil in it. And I love the smell. It doesn't matter if it's spring, summer, or winter. And it just makes your room smell so fresh. And I don't know, there's just this calming effect about essential oils when you clean with them. And I have a wooden table here, so it's nice to just give it a nice wipe down, a fresh, clean. I have little stickies on my table from tape rollers. So this nice wet damp cloth, and then I use a dry cloth to dry immediately so I'm not left with water spots or damage as well to my table. Just cleaning off my little stamp pad, coaster. So I have some things here obviously that I don't really move around, like my arm, my tripod, my Cricut, kind of have their designated places on my table and they don't move. And this IKEA shelf type drawer system I absolutely love because I can store things underneath it in the drawers and then my tripod gets fixed to it. So this is my craft area and I've put everything on the floor, and then I'm just dusting quickly, and then I want to work with the pile that I have in the center of the room. I always leave papers for last, so now I'll just collect all the random stuff that don't have a place on my actual work desk down on the floor. Clean off all my little working space, my glass, you know, just the basic stuff. So and keep hydrated. That's one thing. Make sure you're drinking water, because when you're cleaning you just do get thirsty, so make sure you have a nice bottle of water that will keep you going, keeps your mind fresh, and then it gives you some energy as well. And make sure you don't forget to eat, have a snack or your lunch or your dinner or breakfast, whatever it is, so that you have energy, because the worst thing is when you have decisions to make and your mind is tired. So I'm just going to finish off cleaning my desk, and then with paper, I don't tackle piles of paper first. That would probably be the end to all cleaning if I were to sit down and tackle papers first. So what I do is put away all my loose things like trinkets and craft supplies and paints and stuff like that. And paper, like 1 little inch of paper could take you an hour to go through. So, and you have to keep making decisions. Do I keep this paper or not? And our mind doesn't like to make decisions every 2 seconds. So the best thing is putting the things that you know you can do quickly, put them away, and then tackle your papers. Put a pile of paper in another basket or container, and do that maybe sitting in front of a TV or a show or some music or something that you can sit comfortably and go through paper. Don't worry about sitting on the floor going through. That's a card from Claire, which I haven't put in my card binder yet. See, this is terrible. Some things, or actually, you know why? I haven't written to you yet, and that's why it was sitting on my craft table. So see, this is a reminder that I have to do that. I'm just putting all my stickers away. That will go right back into my sticker binder drawer. This is my glue gun mat. I use a Betty Crocker, what are they called? Silicone mats. Every time I'm working with my glue gun to protect my table. So that just goes back on my little cart. And I'm putting my beads back in their designated spot, because I worked with beads not too long ago, the little crystals. And then these are my acrylic organizers from Michaels. I use the washi acrylic organizers. Probably should have filmed that a little bit closer for you, but I have basically all loose trinkets in here, stored inside mini little Dollar Tree twist containers. Actually, I'll pop in a little footage from my craft room tour, because I forgot to film that when I was doing this. So I'll take all my garbage in a white bag downstairs, and then it'll get sorted into the recycle or garbage in the garage. I'm gonna vacuum my room because there's always glitter or something that gets put on the floor, and that does it for cleaning today. My room was uninspiring when I walked in, but I think I left with it feeling a lot better, and I'm now ready to craft again because my craft table had no space. I was just a hot mess. So if you need a little inspiration, start with 15 minutes. Don't go full out, but 15 minutes can make a huge difference. And this is my craft space. If you want to take a look at a tour of it, I have shared every little part of my room and every drawer in a previous video. So if you want to take a look at that, you're welcome to. Don't forget to check out Skillshare for other decluttering and organization type tips and tricks to make your life a little easier, not only in the craft room, but the rest of your home. I want to say thank you so very much for watching today, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Till next time, everyone, have a wonderful day. Bye for now.